Hello everyone. Today I am performing core task number 14, which is concerned to the presentation, and I would like to presentation regarding the climate change. As we know, whole world is facing the climate change, and climate change is the biggest threat, and it is a matter of great concern to all the human being. And we witnessed itself the how climate change is increased over the last few decades, and it's threat the our civilization. So today I would like to presentation just simply putting the facts of the uh, climate change. So, first and foremost, how climate change is causes. There are a huge factors which led to the climate change. I want to show the fact that I have re, re written here the causes of pollution. The first one is waste, and the second one is deforestation, and third one is urbanization, and fourth one is modern lifestyle. So I would like to explain all the terminology uh, with the fact. The first is waste. We know that there are a huge number of factories and industries which causes pollutions, like their wastes and sewage uh, uh, let flow into river, and as a result this destroy the marine lifestyle and ecosystem. And the second one is deforestation is the most fundamental factor which is the led to huge number of pollution in our atmosphere. And as we know that due to the harmful gases which increase greenhouse gases, and as a result our ozone is depleted, and earth temperature is increased steadily. And as a matter of fact climate changes occur, and we can feel particularly in India how monsoon is changes. Farmer is particularly faces huge distress and difficulties, etc. And the third one is urbanization. As we know that the urbanization is also a key factor which is led to the pollution, because people migrate rural to urban areas, and with the increase of population in urban areas the consumption level is also rise, and with the increase of consumption level automatically pollution is also increase. That's why the urbanization is also a huge play role to have pollution. And the fourth one is modern lifestyle. And we now live in a 21st century. We all witness that the how technological advancements are using, like we used vehicles, lots of vehicles which uh, emitted harmful gases. And one of the most best instance in our India, in Delhi, where pollution of huge pollution which causes breathing difficulties, respiratory disease, etc. So and there is huge types of pollution. The first one is air pollution. I would like to share this, you have a look the types of pollution. The first one is air pollution, and the second one is noise pollution, and third one is land and soil pollution, and fourth one is water pollution. So I would like to explain every terminology with the fact. And the first one is air pollution. As I already mentioned, that the air pollution is also a huge, huge contributor, which is led to the global warming. And air pollution is causes through industries and factories and vehicles. Yeah, absolutely. And deforestation. So such harmful gases which is gathered in our atmosphere, and which led to the greenhouse gases, and it's stove the i- infrared radiation uh, throughout out of the earth. And third one is noise pollution. Noise pollution is also a fundamental contributor of pollution. We can see in metropolitan city how noise pollution is prevail. Huge number of cars which emerges noises, and yeah, these things causes noise pollution. And fourth one is water pollution. Water pollution, we as I already mentioned, industries, particularly the factories which let their wastage into the river, and it's damage the rivers like plankton and marine ecosystem and human being as well. Therefore, these things which we have to be kept in mind, and all human beings should pursue to minimize the pollution. And recently, our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, has emphasizes the importance of climate change. He emphasizes on a global forum of G20 summit, uh, which is held in Italy. He emphasized that the whole world should tend toward the zero carbon emission, because if today we human being not take a step, then our future generation uh, will uh, will will face the consequences. And as per the UN report, United Nations report said that the three countries is the major contributor. The first one is USA, second one is China, and third one is India. As we know that the uh, coal coal is extensively used in our India for generating electricity, and the same pattern is also used China. As a result, is cause a drastic impact in our environment and atmosphere, which led to the global warming. I would like to conclude uh, saying that we all human beings not depend upon a particular organization and the government. We should come forward and planting the staple plants, and a a aware the people about the importance of climate change, so that they will know the importance of climate change, and teach taught them the you have to plant, and so on. So that's my presentation, and thank you so much.